everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how I am going to create bangs on this unit. OMG her hair, you guys. And I never did a review on this unit, but yeah, I don't think I ever did a review on this unit, but I had it for over a year now. So yeah, I'll leave all the details of this unit down below in the description bar. Okay, first things first, you guys, I just wanted to comb through the hair to make sure that all the kinks are combed out, and so that's what I'm doing. Then I separate the hair, you guys, with my fingers, and again, I'm just still going through the kinks. Then I make a part in the front on one side, because as you can see, my unit is parted in the middle as a middle part. So I have to make a part on each side. Okay, and so that's what I'm doing, trying to get it even on both sides and really trying to comb through it so the middle part will not be seen anymore. And so what I learned is I needed to twist the hair, you guys, before I cut it. And so that's what I'm doing. And I heard this is a great strategy for cutting bangs, you guys. You know, you don't want to just cut straight across. And so, yeah, I am just starting off long, as you can see, and I'm slowly inching my way up closer and closer to my eyes. And that's what you see me doing right now. Again, excuse my voice, you guys. I'm getting sick, and it's in the middle of the night when I do my voiceovers. Yes. Okay, and yes, right now I am using that flat iron to try to manipulate the hair, to train it to get rid of the middle part, you guys. So I'm just playing around with it, trying to manipulate it. You know, the bangs look kind of funky right now, but I was like, let me just go ahead and continue trying to train the hair so you can no longer see the middle part. Okay, so I have a couple of stragglers, and so I'm just cutting those pieces off, as you can see. You think I should go a little shorter with the bangs? Okay, so again, I'm still cutting off some of the stragglers that I see, and yeah, this process did not take a long time, you guys. It took probably, you know, less than 10 minutes, honestly. I'm just kind of doing it in slow motion right now to show you what's up. Oh, okay, and then now, right now, I am curling my bangs, you know, so it can have some type of style. And so I was looking at the hair and I was like, okay, what do I want to do with this hair? Do I want to leave it like this, or do I want to flat iron it and straighten it? And so I decided to flat iron it, you guys. That's what I'm doing right now. And this hair is actually really, really beautiful. I've had this hair for over a year, you guys, and I've worn it on and off, and you know, it's just great quality. And this unit again is from OMGHERHAIR. I'll leave all the information about it down below. It's jet black. It's just really, really good quality hair. And I was like, okay, let me try to manipulate this and create bangs, since bangs are hot for the fall now. And so you'll see my final look at the end. Thank you so much for stopping by. Talk to you later.